Students, how are you all? This is your computer science teacher Chaitra from Mangala Vidya Mandira. So in this class we are going to learn about the chapter 5, that is the paint tools. So children, you have made paint right on the paper. Now we are going to learn how to make the paint in the computer. So we have learned last classes what is a computer, then parts of the computer, what is a hardware, what is a software. So basically a paint is a software which cannot be touched or seen, and you need to just use the tools to paint your any favorite things. So in this chapter we are going to learn about the paint tools. Basically, what are the tools that are available in the paint, then different types of paint tools like rectangle tool, triangle tool, rounded rectangle tool, line tool, eraser tool, curve tool, oval tool, fill with color tool, pencil tool, and airbrush tool. So totally you have 10 tools here. So please try to remember the words here. You know rectangle tool, rectangle, then the next is triangle, then rounded rectangle, line, eraser, curve, oval, fill with color tool, pencil tool, and airbrush tool. So this is a comparison between the normal painting and the painting in the computer. So normal painting, you can just see here, you get all the tools like you get painting brushes, you get colors, you get painting tubes, you have a stand, you can just take the color palette and you can do the coloring here. Similarly, in the computer also we have some tools here. You can just see here tools. The same tools are there, whatever it's given manually, we are going to use it in the system. Then you have colors also. So you have a window here where you are going to paint your favorite things here. Similarly, here you have a canvas sheet or a board. Here it is nothing but the window, activation window. Next, let us see some of the keywords. Paint tools, beautiful pictures, ribbon, shapes, rectangle, triangle, eraser, curve, oval, pencil, fill with color, airbrush, rounded rectangle, and cloud callout. So these are the keywords you could learn it, children. So what are the keywords? Once again I'll repeat. Paint tools, beautiful pictures, ribbon, shapes, rectangle, triangle, eraser, curve, oval, pencil, fill with color, airbrush, rounded rectangle, and cloud callout. Yeah, Ria, do you like painting? He is asking. Yes. Who does not like painting? Everyone likes. Yeah. Have you done painting on the computer? He is asking. Then she is saying, no, Jack, I have done painting on the paper. I like to learn on the computer, painting on the computer. Come, let us learn paint in the computer. So these are the conversation between the Jack and the Ria here. So Jack is asking Ria, do you like painting? Of course, every children like painting. So have you done painting on the computer? So she is telling, no, I have done the painting on the paper. So I want to learn the painting on the computer. It is very easy. So let us learn paint in the computer. So you can just see here some of the paint tools. This is the tools group. What do you mean by a group? Total number of tools will be available on the one frame, that is called as tools group. There is a group of tools here. Next is the shapes group. So there is a group of shapes here. If you click on this, you get lot of shapes. Then colors group. So what you have different colors here. There are many colors here. So that is called as a group. That is colors group. And all this will form a frame that is called as ribbon. So what is ribbon? All which contains tools group, shapes group, colors group. It has home tab, it has clipboard, image group. All this will from total number of groups will form a ribbon. Next, let us start with the tools now. What is a rectangle tool? So everybody have seen rectangle, right? In mathematics you are going to learn the rectangle, triangle. These are some of the shapes. So here we are going to make a rectangle with the tool that is called as rectangle tool from the shapes group in the home tab. So next is triangle tool. You know triangle tool as shown here in the image. Triangle tool we are going to choose the triangle tool from the shapes group in the home tab to draw a triangle. Next, a rounded rectangle tool. Next is the rounded rectangle tool. So what is rounded rectangle tool? Rounded rectangle tool is nothing but the tool which has corners rounded. You can just see the difference between the rectangle and the rounded rectangle. So it's used to draw rounded rectangle. So this is a rounded rectangle. So you can just see the difference between the rectangle and the rounded rectangle. Next is the eraser tool. Eraser tool from the tools group in the home tab is used to erase unnecessary lines in the pictures. So similarly you have eraser, right? So while writing in the pencil, normally you make some mistakes and you're going to rub it. Similarly here also it is going to take out unnecessary images or pictures with the help of the eraser tool. So next is the line tool. Line tool from the shapes group in the home tab is used to draw the lines. So as the name itself suggests, it is used to draw the line. So if it is rectangle tool, it is used to draw the rectangle. If it is a oval tool, it is used to draw the oval. Then if it is a line tool, it is used to draw the line. And if you have some more other shapes, it is used to draw that particular shape. Next, curve tool. Again, the name itself suggests you are going to draw some curvy lines here. Before we talked about the things which are already in the shape. So we are going to write now if we're going to write some image which is not in a particular shape, then how we are going to write it? With the help of the curve tool. So curve tool in the shapes group in the home tab is used to write the curve lines. You can just see here, if you draw the flower, for drawing flowers, everything, you can choose the thickness also. So this is the curve tool. Next is cloud callout tool. You can just see here, sometimes when you are going to read the comics, so above the comic, like above the characters, it is given like that they are imagining. So cloud callout tool from the shapes groups is used to draw the clouds with the help of the pencil. So these are the things where we are going to not to talk, we are going to just imagine. So while writing this, you are going to use the cloud callout tool. You can just see here, there are 1, 2, 3 types of clouds. Next is pencil tool. This everybody knows, children, what is a pencil. Even you have a pencil. So pencil tool in the home tab is used for freehand drawing. So you can choose the pencil and you can draw the image, and if it is not correct, you can just erase it. If it is right, you can fill with color, or you can do any other shapes also. Next is airbrush tool. The name itself suggests it contains many brushes. So airbrush tool from the tools group. This is from the tools groups. So shapes will be from the shapes group. These are the eraser, your pencil, your text, your airbrush, all will be under tools group in the home tab. Used to spray an area of the image with color of your choice. Next is fill with color tool. As the name also itself tell you, you're going to fill it with the color. So fill with color tool from the colors group. So this is from the colors group. Last we learnt about the tools group. So this is from the colors group in the home tab. So you can just see here colors group from the home tab. This is the it also comes under the tools group also. So this is the fill with color tool. Next, you can just see here, this is the free from selection, this is the selection tool, and this is the eraser tool, and this is the fill with color tool, and this is the pick color. You're going to pick the color. This is the magnifier, this is the pencil tool, this is the brush tool, this is airbrush tool, this is text tool, line tool, curve tool, rectangle, polygon, ellipse, and rounded rectangle. So you have in this class you're going to learn about the eraser tool, fill with color tool, then you have a pencil tool, then you have airbrush tool, then you have line tool, curve tool, and rectangle and rounded rectangle, children. So this is like this, you can just form an image. So you can just see this is using the oval tool and this is using a rectangle tool. Again you can draw this clouds using a triangle tool, and this is a circle, this is the clouds. So all these things can be done with the help of the tools. So tools in paintbrush, you can just see here, free from select, pencil tool, select tool, brush tool, eraser tool, airbrush tool, then fill with color tool, curve tool, line tool, ellipse tool, then a text box, that is rounded rectangle, magnifier and rectangle tool. So here we are going to learn only the basics of the tools, and in the next chapter I am going to teach more, or in the next class we are going to learn about the more tools in paint. So this is the things, rest of the things will be given in the group, that is activities behind the textbook of this particular exercise. So please complete, children. Those who have not completed the activities given on the activities in the textbook, please do complete it, and you're going to submit me in the group. If you have any queries, please let me know in the group. Thank you. Have a nice day. Stay safe and healthy.